It's been 1 month since I uploaded a video, but this dialogue is being common nowadays. There are some reasons that I don't want to disclose, but keep in mind that there are some positive excuses, like I am working on some projects that I am going to show you very soon. Mm, yeah. Anyways, in this video, I am going to review Mi Band 4 and we are gonna discuss about how it is different than the Mi Band 3. So leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and without any type of further ado, let's get started.
Talk back to you, say it like that. If I hate you.
Okay, so let me tell you my initial experience with this Mi Band 4. So I just opened up the box, took out the Mi Band 4 and tried to get it connected with my smartphone through the Mi Fit app. But boom, it was not getting connected. First I thought it's a faulty unit, but we are Indians. We do have lots of tricks, so I did a huge operation with it. So I brought knife, scissors, just kidding. I restarted my phone and it was all okay. If that's your case, you can do the same. Anyways, after this, it will take some time to update its firmware. Make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. So you have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes to get into the interface, because it will take some time to do all this stuff. This Mi Band 4 has an inherent design like Mi Band 3, but the user interface is something that differentiates it from the crowd. The front of the Mi Band 4 has the touch screen as well as a capacitive button. To interact with this, we just have to do some few swipes and taps. Also, we can see that there is a heart rate monitor and a pogo pin connector for charging. As for the strap, it is made up of
polyurethane,
which is available in black, but you can taste different colors from Amazon. Basically, you can pick any Mi Band strap as it easily fits with Mi Band 4. The screen on the Mi Band 4 is slightly bigger than the Mi Band 3 and also have higher resolution, and the interaction is pretty smooth. This buddy comes with some stunning features, like it has sport function with 6 workout modes like treadmill, exercise, outdoor running, cycling, walking, pool swimming, counts steps, distance, and how much calories you burned. Then it has some health monitoring features like workout completion notification, goal setting, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and lots of other features, like you can get notification of incoming call, SMS, and lots other, which is impossible to cover in this 2 to 3 minute video. On the rear, there is a heart rate sensor that sits directly on your skin. By default, it is turned off, so it won't be continuously recording your heart rate when you are going about your day, but when it does, it gives you some good and accurate results, so no complaints about that. So now let's talk about the app and compatibility of Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4 features Bluetooth 5 and it works with phones running Android 4.4 and above, even iPhones running with iOS 9.0 and above. To get it connected, you just have to download the Mi Fit app to your phone from the Google Play Store, or for the iPhones you can use the App Store. App setup is easy, and through your smartphone you can customize the band's theme by downloading fun watch faces. For that, you just have to go to profile, then select Mi Band 4. There will be an option called band display settings, so there you will get to see lots of themes that you can apply to the band, and also you can add the customized display. So there are lots of other options that you need to explore.
Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry.
Talking about the water test, this buddy passed it successfully. This Mi Band 4 comes with a 135 mAh battery. Xiaomi claims that this can go up to 20 days. Lots of other people who are using it also claim the same, but I haven't tested it yet. I will let you know in the community tab once I get it. But this depend on our general usage, and yeah, the battery does charge quickly. So my final verdict is that this buddy is of course better than Mi Band 3 in every aspect. So anyone looking for an affordable fitness tracker that has basic smartwatch functionality with a affordable price, you can blindly go for it. I have left a link in the description. You can follow that for the purchase as it will help our channel. Anyways, thanks for having patience. It's now time for another giveaway. And those who don't know, our previous giveaway winner is Vishal Giri. So a big congratulations to him. So to win this MI Band 4, you don't have to go to any website. Just follow me on Instagram, subscribe and leave a comment how this MI Band 4 can help you with your daily routine. That's it. You will be in. So good luck. I will keep you posted when I will announce the winners in the community tab. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Share this video with all your friends and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.